No need to get ready, we stay ready, check in.
Well,
Sharpen up, you learn things, every flight's a learning experience. You continue your way to grind up. Hey, don't put that chin in there. Eyes up, chin down. Hard shots, don't pause in between shots now. Go. Don't pause up. Hard. Still throwing them correctly. Right now I don't see your right hand coming up. Still throwing them correctly. Turn your shots over if you have to. Pivot your feet if you need to. Hard shots. Come on, burn it out. Burn out for me. Burn out for me. Burn out. Burn out for me. How you doing? Good, nice seeing you. Burn out. Back to 1-2, 1-2. Hands up, chin down. Turn it over. Bend those knees. Attaboy.